Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to head over to the KLING AI website and create your free account. Just go to kling.ai, click Sign Up, and use your email or Google account to register. It takes about 2 minutes and you're ready to start creating. Step 2. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see options for text to video, image to video, and video editing tools. Take a moment to browse the templates and sample videos to understand what's possible. Step 3. Now let's create your first video. Click on text to video and write a detailed prompt describing what you want to see. Be specific about the style, mood, and any particular elements you want included in your video. Step 4. After submitting your prompt, KLING will generate your video. The free tier gives you a certain number of credits per month, so make your prompts count. Once it's done processing, you can preview your creation and make adjustments if needed. Step 5. Finally, download your completed video and edit it if you want using their built-in editor or export it to your favorite video software. You can add music, captions, and effects to polish it up before sharing on social media or your platform of choice.